guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I clean and organize my baby's room. Well, this is not just gonna be a baby's room, it's gonna be a mommy and me room. We're in Nigeria after all. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do the needful by clicking on that big red subscribe button below this video. Join the family, guys. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so today's video is just all about nesting with me, how I clean and organize in preparation for the baby boy. Preparation for the baby boy. So join me as we do it together. So we had to start up with sweeping and cleaning the house, and you know that this pregnancy is giving me a whole lot of stress. So I had to get help. It's not an easy something, man. So we took off the bed that was here and swept everywhere. And this my sis here is just helping me mop and clean the place. So all we are doing here is transferring Brielle's clothes and stuffs out of the baby cot to the wardrobe. Basically just transferring everything from the baby cot to the wardrobe. And my friend who is always here, guys, like she's just a lifesaver. Rita is a lifesaver to me, guys. You all know what this pregnancy has put me through. And Rita came like the previous day and washed off all of baby boy's clothes, all the clothes that most the flannels we bought in the market, the towels, everything, even the clothes we had at home. She washed everything for me, guys. Like I don't know what I would have done without this girl. And here she is today again, cleaning and helping me out. So I really appreciate her, guys. Like she's a lifesaver. So yeah, that's what we're doing, transferring Brielle's things to the wardrobe in order to create space for baby boy. The next day hubby came and helped us to reset the bed the way it was, because obviously we couldn't do that. Yep, all hands on deck.
Things that you're feeling, capture your body, get your best side, breathe in the world, fake us a smile, walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now.
Hubby equally helped us, set up the baby net, attaching it on the ceiling. I actually thought that this was like a cot net that I bought. When I opened it, I didn't know it was a big size of net that's actually big enough to fit like a full bed. And Madame Brielle did not want to get that from her bed. She's like, this is my bed. What are you guys doing? And yes, oh my God.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through only cause you said.
And yeah, I'm still like reusing Brielle's curtains. It's girly, I know, but we're still using it. No need to change. At least there's blue inside the curtain now. So this is just me trying to fix up the curtains, and by this time my sister had already come. Oh my God, my sister had already come, guys. So this is her. There she is. Yeah, English language. There she is, helping me, trying to set up everything. And guys, can you notice how we've grown so big overnight? Like at 36 weeks, guys, like we're just so big. Oh my God, I think my tummy just blew up at 8 months. Like it just blew up.
Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase?
And this is another day, guys. Like before we could finish arranging this room, be like say we don't reach 1 week. So guys, these are the flannels I bought in the market that Rita helped me wash. Yes guys, even if you buy something new, so far as it's something that the baby is going to use, I'd advise you to wash it off. So because you can't really tell how your baby's skin is going to be like, whether he's going to be very sensitive in order to, so he or she doesn't catch any germs or infection. Yes, you might think what you bought is new, like is in a packet, right? But it's advisable to always wash newborn clothes before they wear them or make use of them. So guys, this is where I really appreciate that my friend, like, she washed all these clothes for me, guys. All these clothes, and she was just amazing. That's my sister also, Blessing, coming around to help me. So all what we are doing here is sectioning where the onesies is going to be, where the pin downs will be, the coveralls, where the bibs, socks, and mittens and caps and everything is just going to be in different places for easy accessibility. So that's what I'm doing, putting the bibs in one area, bibs and face towels in one area, then caps and mittens in one area, and coveralls in one drawer, pinned down, and onesies in one drawer. So that's what we're just doing, separating and arranging for easy accessibility when baby comes. And oh my god guys, like, can you see how good I look? Can you see how beautiful, fab I look? Have you ever seen a fine pregnant woman before? Oh geez, I think this day I went out, so when I just came back I had to complete this organization so we could end this video, because I do not want this video to be very long, guys. Yeah, if you have actually watched up to here, like, it's not fair, and you've not subscribed to my channel, nah man, it's not fair. Just click that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. So yep, let's make this family grow, okay? Share it to all the mamas
That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world.
Wow.
Just a smile, walk in the
We're finally
light.
done, like not fully done. We're not fully done, but we are done for this video. Other things will be added later on. Thank you so much for sticking around. I love you all. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you watched up to here, now why? Please join the family by clicking on that big red subscribe button below this video to join the family. Click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. If you like it, share with all mamas around the world. And yeah, look at guys. We're ready to pop. Oh my god guys, so let's end this. I want to go and rest. Thank you so much. See you all in my next video. Bye.